they're going to teach me about table manners, which is very, very difficult, you know. I think I want to be just free. But I think this is very, very important to understand your table manners, because when you join a different company, when you join a big company, and you're in a multinational company, and you're going abroad, or maybe you have a meeting with the clients, the topmost clients, and you're in a five-star beautiful hotel, and that time if you does not know how to have the food, it's going to be very, very wrong with you. I think it's very, very important to have the table manners, the right way of eating, the way you behave, the way you keep your fork, the way you keep everything is going to be very, very important. So I have the Vrindavan manager of Uday Samra Leisure Beach Hotel, Mr. Unni. He's going to tell you exactly that how the table manners has to be taken place. Let's see how we have this beautiful table manners today. This is Mr. Unni, the food and beverage manager of Uday Samra Leisure Beach Hotel. So he's going to show you the basic table etiquettes. First of all, put your mobile on a silent mode. Don't sit first until others are started to sit unless the host is advising you to do so. Pull their chair if you are about to sit next to any elderly people or lady. Don't keep your phone, mobile and the wallets on the table. Open your napkin and place it on your lap, or you may simply wait for the waiting staff to do this. During the meal, keep yourself upright and avoid showing that you are too relaxed. The laid cutleries works as outside. The cutleries are laid to have the appetizer, on the soup to have first, followed by the main course. Wait patiently to start the meal until everyone is being served. It is a very formal meal. Wait for the indication from the host. During the meal, don't get up, grab something from the table which is not close to you. You may always ask politely to the person next to you, or ask him to pass it on. When you're asked to pass salt or pepper, always remember to pass the both together. Don't talk during a conversation if your mouth is full with food or drink. If you are invited to someone's house for a meal and you have been served any food which you don't like, you may take 1 or 2 pieces to show the gratitude. If you are asked to pass the food to another person, take a small portion of the food so that everyone can have the food. Try to avoid wasting the food. Excuse yourself from the table if you need to, or if you are getting any avoidable calls. Fold your napkin and leave it on the table while leaving from the table. Being active in a group is very important by participating in the conversation, and try to have the eating pace with others. Keep your cutleries as described if you are paused while having the food, or place the cutleries 10/4 angle if you are done with the food. Try to fold the napkin once you are done with the meal and about to finish the meal with others. Place back the chairs to the normal position. Always thank the host for the meal.
Thank you for hosting.
I think you have seen Mr. Unni showing you the basic etiquettes of the table manners. We'll come back again next week with the food served, almost 5 meals served to you, the 5-course menu served to you, and how you should behave while having the food. This is from Uday Samra Leisure Beach Hotel for everyone to enjoy, and make sure that you have this basic table etiquette and table manners which makes others feel happy. Let's not grab the food and like eat like someone else. So let's have the basic behavior of table etiquette. This is Raj and Uni from Udays Hotels.